Hello friends and welcome back to House of Props. A few of you have asked questions about printing my templates, so I thought that I would show you a video of the process that I use. You can load the PDF into Adobe Reader, which is a free program, and works great to set up custom print settings. When the PDF is completely loaded, click the print button in the upper corner, and this window should pop up. Select Poster and make sure to set the tile scale to 100%. The PDF will be split over multiple pages. In this case, it's 8. The best thing about this settings is it doesn't matter what size paper you use. I typically use letter paper, which is 8.5 by 11. Now, to make assembling multiple pages a lot easier, set the overlap to 0.005 and check mark the cut marks and label squares. Then you can click Print. When the pages print, the labels give you the column and the row number. The rest you can ignore, but the first two numbers will help keep the pages in order when assembling. Your cut marks are printed in the corners where overlapping will occur. Take a sheet and align a ruler along these lines and cut off the excess. Then you can align the cut marks at the top and the bottom, and the template lines can also help with alignment as well. Once in place, you can tape the sheets together. I like to use clear tape so it doesn't obscure the template. Then the process can be repeated for the next page, and so on and so on. When you proceed to the second row, you want to cut off the excess along the side and the top, then align along the bottom of the previous row by using the cut marks as before. Once all of the sheets are attached, you have the final template, and the individual pieces can then be cut out and you can start your build. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to House of Props for more quick, easy build tips. And remember, if you are building any of my builds or using any of my templates, feel free and tag me at House of Props on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, because I would really like to see your fantastic work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.